Are you worried about identity theft? One way to protect yourself is by freezing your credit. In this video, I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to freeze your credit on each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Lori, and on this channel we do all things travel related. We're also touching into personal finance because we need to be able to finance these trips that we want to take all around the world. So if you're interested in travel content, if you're interested in personal finance content, if you're interested in seeing vlogs of my trips to all these different locations, then you're in luck. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below and join us in this community, this growing community of Globetrotters. So let's get right into it. A credit freeze restricts access to your credit report, so it makes it difficult for fraudsters to steal your identity. First, you will need to contact the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. And each bureau may have different requirements for placing a credit freeze, which is why I figured I would show you through all of those different steps that you may have to take. You may need to provide some personal identification information, such as your name, social security number, and perhaps also your date of birth. And once you've completed the application process, you will receive a confirmation letter from each bureau. Make sure you keep those letters safe, as you will need them to lift or to thaw your credit freeze in the future. I like to place mine either in a fire safe or in a safe deposit box if you have. Remember, a credit freeze may not prevent all identity theft. It's important that you still monitor your credit report and your bank accounts regularly for any suspicious activities. Do not become lax with your safety. So if you're concerned about identity theft, again, just follow the step-by-step guide that I'll give you in this video to freeze your credit, protect yourself, protect those you care about. Let's start with Experian. The first thing, you could easily, in the search bar at Experian.com, type in credit freeze. That will pull up all the information regarding credit freeze, but you will click on the one that says freeze or unfreeze your credit. When you get to that page, it will ask you for information. If you do not have an account, you fill out that information, your name, your address, all of that, so that you can then create an account with the credit bureau. If you already have an account, then you click, you log in. Now, try not to use your email as your user ID, because that's an easy way for you to be hacked if hackers already have your email address. So I typed in my information so you can see what it looks like once you already have an account created. As you can see, my account is frozen. I can just toggle back and forth to freeze and unfreeze. So if I'm on the phone with a creditor, if I'm getting a mortgage, if I'm buying a car, what have you, and they need to check my credit, then I stay on the phone with them, they check the credit, and then I immediately, I thaw my account, they check my credit, I immediately refreeze it, or if they tell me that they will be checking it within a certain time period, I can schedule a thaw. So I usually will schedule it for about 24 hours and then have it be removed after that 24-hour period. So this is how you get it done on Experian.com. Be sure to log out afterwards, just in case anyone else is using your account, is using your device after you. So moving on to TransUnion. The process is very similar. You go to transunion.com, you go into the search bar. You can click on credit freeze as well. But if you go to the upper right-hand corner, and this is on my mobile device, if you go to the upper right-hand corner, you will see that there is a menu, those 3 lines in the upper right-hand corner. That's the menu. You go down to resources, and you can click on credit freeze from there. You can add a freeze or you can unfreeze. Again, it will ask you to create a free account. None of this should cost you any money. Anything that they try to prompt you to pay for, it is unnecessary. These are just products that they're trying to sell you if there's anything that requires you to pay. Again, remember to sign out before moving on to whatever else you're going to be doing on your device. Now we go to Equifax, just showing you what the front page of Equifax looks like. You can also go into the menu here for my personal credit. You can go down the list and you will see there that there are different options for different products that they offer. So you click on place or manage a freeze. Get started with a freeze. If you don't have an account already, you click on that. And again, you go through the same process and fill out your personal information. I hope that you found this information helpful. I hope that you'll be able to not only protect yourself, but protect your loved ones. I hope that you're enjoying this mini series on personal finance. This week, every day, I've been trying to post a brief video on this topic. And I hope that you have found it helpful, the research and the help that I'm putting into it. So if you have and you found this information useful, please give the video a big thumbs up. Click that button, click the thumbs up button, and also share it with other people that you know. I'm trying to grow the channel, trying to grow the reach, giving out as much free information as I can so that everyone can benefit and not feel like they're at a disadvantage in the world. Okay? So I hope you're having a good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Remember to value experiences over things because travel is the only thing you buy that truly makes you rich. Ciao.